Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let y equals y of x be the solution of the curve of the differential equation this. So, this is the differential equation. So, if you'll observe, we have y square minus x dy by dx equals to 1. Okay. Now, the idea is we will first apply variable separable method. So what do you think? You can segregate x and y? No. To segregate x and y, we need all x together and all y together, and both should be in product. But here things are in addition, so you cannot segregate them. So we will apply first filter of variable separable method, that is dy by dx equals to linear function, but it is dy by dx equals to 1 by quadratic function. So you cannot apply first filter of variable separable method. Now we have second filter, dy by dx equals to linear by linear. It is not linear by linear, it is constant by quadratic. Then we have third filter, as if we will have x dx plus or minus y dy, we can respond accordingly, but we cannot find that part. So what we will do, we will take help of linear differential equation. So how does that linear differential equation look like? So it is dy by dx. If it is y, we want y over here, and then p of x, q of x. So look at this, we cannot do this thing either. So what we will do, let's send that dy by dx that side. So it will become dx by dy. So we have y square minus x. Now, can I write this thing as, like, if the function is in x, means dx by dy plus x is equal to q of y and then p of y. Okay. Now the idea is, look at this, we have to change things, means in place of x we will be writing y, in place of y we will be writing x. So look at this, can I write this thing as dx by dy, send x that side, so we will have plus, and then we have y square. Now can I write e power px? So in place of px we will write py, so that is 1 dy is equal to e power integration dy, and then qy y square, and then we have, earlier here we have y, but now we will have x, means x replaced by y replaced by x. Now let's do the integration. So we will have x e power y, and then look at this, we will have y square e power y in terms of y. Okay, so we have to do the integration of this part. So here what we will do, we will apply integration by parts. Now the idea is, first we will take differentiation, means first function we will use isolate. Okay, so e is the exponential function, so here we have exponential function, so we will consider that as second function. So we have y square, we have e power y. Now we will differentiate with respect to y to the first function and integrate to the second function with respect to y. So we have 2y, then we have 2, then we have 0. So e power y, e power y, e power y, then plus minus plus minus, then this and then this. Okay, now look at this, how we will be writing things. So x e power y, okay, e power y is equal to y square e power y minus 2y e power y plus 2 e power y plus integration constant c. Now to find out integration constant c, we will use some idea. So here they have given this situation 0 comma 1. So this curve is satisfying 0 comma 1. Okay, so in place of x I'll be writing 0, in place of y I'll be writing 1. So 0 e 2e 2e plus c. So value of c is minus e. Now you can write down your proper function. So we will have x e power y is equal to y square e power y minus 2y e power y plus 2 times e power y minus e. Okay, so this is our function. Now what do we want? This curve intersect x-axis at a point whose abscissa. So this curve is intersecting x-axis. X-axis means put y equals to 0, then find x. So we have x is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 2 minus e. So we have x coordinate as 2 minus e. Therefore the required value is 2 minus e. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.